The next aspect of trigonometry that we want to treat now is compound angle. So in this compound angle, let us start from what? A. Sine angle of A and B. When they are what? They are compound. It will give us what? Sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. So this is what? Compound angle for what? For sine A plus B. Then if we have what? Sine angle of A minus B in compound, it will be what? Sine A cos B minus cos A sine what? Sine B. But if it's what? Compound angle for cos A plus B, it will be what? Cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. But if it is what? Compound angle for cos A minus B, it should be what? Sine A, sorry, minus B. It should be cos A cos B plus sine A sine what? Sine B. So the last one, which is tan. Tan angle of A plus B, what will be the compound angle? As we all know that what? Whenever you have sine, tan is always what? The ratio of what? Of sine angle over what? The cos angle. So in that said what? The tan is what? Sine A plus what? Sine B over what? Cos of what? A plus what? Of B. So the sine angle of sine angle of A and B over cos angle of A and B will give us what? Tan. And as we all know that what? This tan, A plus B, it should be what? From here, what is sine A plus B? Sine A cos B cos A plus B. Oh yeah, put everything you have here to represent this. Yeah, let's go. Sine what? A cos B plus cos A sine B. Everything over what? What is cos A plus B? Cos A plus B is this. We have cos what? A cos B minus sine A sine what? Sine B. And the next thing will be what? Say divide both side by cos A cos B. What are you going to have there? Tan A plus B. It will give us what? Sine A. No. Divide both the numerator and the denominator by what? By cos A cos B. This one. Divide everything. We now have what? Sine A cos B plus cos A sine B over divided by this one. Cos A cos B. This one cos A cos B, everything over what? Cos A cos B over cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, everything over what? Sin A, sorry, over what? Cos A cos what? Cos B. You will divide this everything, both denominator and numerator, by what? Cos A cos B. So I use this cos A cos B here to divide this one, to divide this one, to divide this two, to divide these two. So we are now later arrive to now later arrive to what? Tan A plus B. It will give me what? Look at what? Give us what? Look at this side. Sin A cos A. Cos B tan cos B. Abi, we cancel this one. Here too, we have cos A cos A. We cancel each other. Here we have what? Yes, good. This place too cancel each other here. We are left with what? Sin A cos A. We have sin A cos A on top. Yes. Plus this plus. We are left with what? Sin B cos B. Sin B cos what? Cos B. Everything over what? Here we have 1. Then minus sin A sin B over what? Cos A cos what? Cos B. So you now have what? Tan angle of A plus B will be sin A cos A. It will give us what? 1 plus, no, sorry, sin A cos A. We know that what is tan. It will give us what? Tan A cos A sin A sin cos B will also give us what? Tan B. We now have what? 1. Then sin A cos A minus tan A sin B cos B dot what? Tan B. So this is what? The trig identity for what? For tan A plus what? Plus B. To give us what? Tan A plus tan B over tan A minus what? Tan over 1 minus tan A dot tan B. So for tan, but if tan A minus B is given, what will be the now? It's the same procedure for proving. You just have what? Tan A minus tan what? Tan B. Everything over what? 1 plus what? Tan angle of A dot tan angle of what? Of B. So this is what we have here as trigonometry identity. Let me solve one question on this before we move to the what? The multiple angle. Here. Now take this question. Example. Using addition formula, to evaluate the following angle without what? Calculator. Yeah. 1 sine 75. 2 cos 75. 3 sine 105. 60 plus 45. 4 find what? Tan 75. 6 cos 105. Mhm. 45 minus 15. You can find what? 7 find sine 15 degree. 8 cos 15 degree. If you can observe that this is also application of what? Of what we call special what? Special angle. So it's one of the what? Of its application. So let us solve this equation now. Solve what? Solution. We are given what? The first one. The first question. We are given what? Sine angle of 75 to evaluate without using calculator. So we all know that what? Sine 75, the special angle, is same thing as what? Sine 30 degree plus what? 45 degree. No be so? Oh yeah? Let us by this is sine 45. That is, this one will be what? Our A. This one will be our B. So using what? Sine A plus B, it will give us what? Sine angle of what? Of A cos B plus what? Cos A sine angle of what? Of B. Yes, we apply this to solve this now. Yeah, what is our what? Sine 30 plus 45. It will be one sine angle of 30, then cos of 45 plus cos of what? 30 plus sine angle of what? Of 45. So you will now have what? Good. Here now, the sine angle of 30 plus what? 45. Sine 30 is 1 over what? Over 2. From the table I wrote here that time, another special angle. And cos angle of 45 is root 2 over what? Over 2. If I'm not mistaken. Plus cos 30 is what? Root 3 over what? Over 2. Then multiply by what? Sine 45 root 2 over what? Over 2. From the special angle table, we derive this now. So you now have what? Sine angle of what? 30 plus 45. It will give you what? Multiply this with 2 over what? Over 4. Multiply this, you have what? With 6 over what? Over 4. So final answer, add it together back. Sine 75 degree will give us what? 1 over what? 4 into what? Root 2 plus what? Root what? Root 6. So this is what? The answer for what? Sine what? 75. Please let me just solve one more. And then you help me to what? Because of the time, you will help me to what? To solve the remaining. So you can send the answer to me on what? On the comment section. So then let me solve for cos 45. Or I just solve for this now. Or which one? Let me solve for one of sine 105. Let me solve cos. I'll solve 1 over 2. Yeah. To solve the cos, now, example 2, the cos 75 degree is the same thing as what? Cos, let me say, 75 degree is the same thing as what? Cos 75 plus cos what? 30 plus what? 40 what? 45. That's how you split it. So don't let me mess up this. It is almost the same with this. Just the what? You apply this formula here to solve this. So let me check another one. Maybe sine 3, sine 105 degrees C. So 105 degrees C, sine 105 degree to give us what? Sine 45 degree plus 90. No, it will be sine 45 plus what? 60. Good. So if it's sine 45 plus 60, I apply what? This formula too. It will give us what? Sine 45 plus what? 60. Now what do we have for sine 45 plus 60 here? The same thing as what? Sine angle of what? 45 cos angle plus 60 plus cos angle of 60 sine angle of 45. What to apply here? Yeah. What will be what? Sine 45 plus what? 60 degree. It will give you what? Sine this is root 2 over 2. Cos 60 is 1 over 2. Okay, mistakenly, yes. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So, plus, sorry, cos 45 sine 60. So, cos 45 is also what? Root 2 over 2. Sine 60 will be what? Root 3 over 2. Okay. So, if you solve it now, but to give us the same thing with this one. So, what we have? Root 2 over 4 plus what? Root 6 over what? Over 4. The same thing with this one. So, but if we want to split of 15, the 15 is what? If you have cos what? 15. It's the same thing as what? Cos 45 minus cos what? 30. So you now apply the what? The compound, the addition formula of what? Of compound angle. Please try and what? Solve all these what? Question. Those are the what? The application of what? Of addition formula under compound what? Angle. The next aspect now under compound angle is double angle formula. So if you are looking at what double angle formula is just start from double angle formula. We say we have sine 2 what? 2a. We are given sine what? 2a. So this is double angle of 2a. To solve this sine 2a, do you agree that what? Sine 2a, we can express it in this form. Sine a plus what? Plus a. If you can agree that what? This sine 2a is into with what? Sine a plus a, you can now say what? From additional formula, where sine a plus b equal to the what? Sine a cos b plus cos what? A sine what? Sine b. Then this 2a We can write it in this form. Sine angle of what? A plus what? A will be L sine A cos A plus cos A plus cos A sine what? Sine A. This is sine A cos A cos A sine A. It's the same. If you add them together, you now have sine A plus what? A. It will give us what? 2 sine A cos what? Cos A. Therefore, sine angle of double angle 2 will be what? Sine A cos A. So this is what? The value for what? Sine 2A. But in issue of cos 2A, this is same thing as what? Cos what? A plus what? A. But recall that cos A plus B give us what? Cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. Abi, from this expression, we can apply it here. You will now have cos angle of A plus A. It should be what? Cos A cos A minus sine A sine what? Sine A. So this will give you what? Cos, if you add it together, it's cos 2A. Yes. Cos A, it will give us what? Cos square A minus sine A, it give us what? Sine square what? A. This is the first identity for what? Cos 2 what? Cos 2A. But if you could still remember from trig identity, you can say what? Recall that sine square A is equal to the what? 1 minus cos square A from trig identity. This is equal to what? This. Abi? Yes. So from here now, if you substitute for that there, you have what? Cos what? Cos 2A should be equal to what? Substitute for this side here. Cos square A. This one is what? 1 minus cos square A. Abi? Minus into bracket 1 minus cos square what? A. Yes. You now have cos 2 what? 2A should be equal to the what? Cos square A. Open the bracket minus 1 plus cos square what? A. So what we do next now? Cos 2 what? 2A will be equal to what? Add it together. 1 plus 1, 2. You have 2 cos square A minus 1. This is what? Another what? Identity for what? For cos 2 what? Cos 2A. And the last identity is from this again. Let me substitute for cos. So can I say what? Recall again that cos square A is equal to the what? 1 minus sine square what? A. By doing that, let us substitute for what? Cos square A here. You now have what? Cos 2A should be equal to what? Cos square A is what? 1 minus sine square A. Yes. Minus what? sine square what? A. Put the bracket, we have cos 2a 1 minus 2 sine square a. This is the third identity for what? See, all these identity, we are going to apply them in what? In a complex number. Please learn how to what? To prove it. So for the cos now, we have three identities. 1, 2, 3. So the last one, it should be what? Tan. What is tan? Tan 2a. For tan 2a, you can say what? Tan 2a is the same thing as what? Tan. You can agree that tan 2a can give us what? Tan a plus what? B. No, a plus what? Plus a. And from the knowledge, we have what? Tan, we call that tan a plus b equal to the what? Tan a plus tan what? B over what? 1 minus tan a dot what? Tan b. Let us apply this for tan. By applying it for tan, we are going to arrive to what? Now my tan of a plus a, yeah, will give me what? Tan a plus what? Tan a over what? 1 minus what? Tan a dot what? Tan a. We now have what? Tan angle of what? Let me go straight now. Add this together. 2a. This plus this is what? 2 tan what? Tan a over what? 1 minus tan square a. So this should be the what? The identity for what? For tan and what? Tan angle. So yes, the next aspect or the last aspect we are going to treat here is we have double angle, triple angle, and a half angle. So good day, everyone. Yeah, welcome to Gala Science Academy, and I would like to continue the trigonometry as one of the chapters we have in mathematics. So in my last or previous video, I have discussed about the trig ratio identity. We have discussed about the trig equation, complementary angle, special angle, and what we call what? Products, no, and compound what? Angle. So like we stop at what? As compound angle. And I said the compound angle, under it we have addition formula, where we have double angle, triple, and half what? Angle. So and then I also discussed the trigonometry what? Graph to in my previous video. So I would like to continue from where I stopped here, which is what? Double angle. I said for the trigonometry of what? Of a double angle, we have what? Sine of 2 angle A. This 2A simply means what? Double angle of what? Of A. So sine angle of what? Of double angle of A, which is 2A. A. We now said what? From what is it? From compound angle of A plus B, addition formula, we have this. We recall. Need to recall. I bring this from what? From addition formula of compound angle. Sine A plus B will give us what? Sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. So since this, from this expression now, we can now borrow this formula to solve or to simplify this sine what? 2A. So by doing that, we have what? Sine A cos A cos A sin A. Instead of using B here, you know everything here we have what is A. By adding the A together back, give us what 2A. Add this together, we have this. So the final answer for what? The identity for sin 2A is this. Therefore, cos 2A will be this. Then cos 2A, I said it can be divided in the what? In the three forms. Either in what? Cos square A minus sin square A, or in form of what? 2 cos square A minus 1, or 2 cos 2A equal to the what? 1 minus 1 sin 2A. So we can divide what? Our cos 2A in three forms. This is the term. We divide our tan 2A as what? 2 tan A over 1 minus tan square what? Square A. And the next aspect under compound angle we are going to treat now is what we call triple angle. Call what? Triple what? Angle. Let's look at triple angle. We have triple angle formula. So this is next we are going to check. Now here is what? Is double angle. That we have sin 2A. So for triple angle of sin A, we have sin 3 what? 3A. Triple means 3. So to solve the identity for sin 3A, we can now say what? Sin this 3A, we can split it into what? 2A plus what? Plus A. Because we have known the identity for what? For 2A. So we now split it to what? 2A plus what? Plus A will give us what? 3A. So again, you can say what? To recall that what? Sin A plus B will give us what? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So let us apply this what? This identity to solve this one. You can now have sine angle of what? 2A plus A here. Yeah, the first one. Sine instead of sine A here, my A here is what? 2A. You put what? 2A. Cos B is A. Cos what? Cos A. Plus cos A. My cos A here is what? Cos 2A. Sine B is what? Sine what? Sine A. Good. Next thing we do now is what? Look at this side. We have sine what? Sine A. We have what? Sine what? Sine A here, sine 2A. And we also have cos what? Cos 2A. For like we can from here we can have our sine 2A as this. Can I say what? To be called that what? Sine what? 2A will give us what? 2 sine what? A cos what? Cos A. Abi? And again, this cos 2A, you can also divide in as what? This. But we are looking for, don't forget, we are looking for what? Sine. So we will now look at what? What value of cos 2A contains sine function? Look at this one. It contains what? Cos and sine. This one, we have ordinary sine. Here we have what? Cos. So let us go for what? The one that is contained was ordinary what? Ordinary sine. Because we are dealing with what? Sine function here. Let me go for this one now. Let's say what? And what? Cos what? Cos 2A from here is equal to what? 1 minus 2 sine square what? A. Good. If we agree with these two identity, yeah, you will now substitute for it here. You now have what? Sine. We have sine 2 what? 2a plus a. It will give us what? What is my sine 2a here? This is it. Should I? This is my sine 2a here now. Where we have what? 2 sine a cos a dot cos a. Everything I put here represent 2a. This cos is this the same thing here. Then plus, what do we have here? Cos 2a. And cos 2a is the same as what? Here. 1 minus 2 sine what? A. This cos 2a is the same as this from this. I put it here. So then this sine in me here, sine what? Sine A. Good. So let's add this together back. 2 plus A, give us 3 now. We have sine 3 what? 3A back. So this time 3A, it will now be equal to what? 2 sine A cos A times cos A. It will give us what? Cos square what? A. Expand this plus sine times 1 sine A, sine times this one minus 2 sine, this one is square times sine, give us 3 sine what? Sine A. Sine cube A. And the next thing again, I need to make this expression to be uniform. I want every function we add there to be in form of sine. And I'm still adding what? Cos square what? A here. How am I going to eliminate this cos what? Cos square A. So help me to look for what? What identity of cos square A that can give us what? Sine A. So if you still remember, yesterday we have done sine what? Square theta plus what? Cos square what? Theta equal to what? 1. From this expression, cos square theta will be equal to the what? 1 minus sine square what? Theta. Abi? So you can now say again that what? Recall that cos square A is equal to 1 minus sine square what? A. So with that, we can eliminate this cos square A to be what? Sine 3A equal to the what? 2 sine A. What is cos square A? Is this now? Into bracket what? 1 minus sine square A plus 1 minus square plus sine what? A minus 2 sine cube of what? Of A. Yeah, continue now. We have what? Sine of 3A. Expand this. We have 2 sine what? A minus 2 times this. To have 2 sine, this 2 sine A times minus sine square A. Sine times S give us what? Cube A. This one have 2, 1 sine cube A plus sine angle of A minus 2 sine angle of 3 what? 3A. If we have this now, can we do now? We have what? Sine A and sine 2A. We add them together. Minus 2 sine cube A minus 2 sine cube A. Add them together. We now have sine 3A should be equal to what? This plus this. We have 3 sine A minus 4 sine cube A. So this is what? The identity formula for what? Sine 3A. Give us what? 3 sine A minus what? 4 sine cube A. So the next one is what? Let us look at what? The identity for cos. Yeah, let's check for what? For cos. Cos 3 what? 3A. So we know that what? To know the cos 3A now is the same thing as what? Cos of 2A plus A. So what is the identity for what? 3A. You now say what? Recall. The recall will tell us that what? We have, if we have cos A plus B, it's the same thing as what? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So here now, my 2A is A, my ordinary A is what? Is B. So let us continue for the expansion now. You now have what? Cos 2A plus A. It will now give us what? Cos 2A. Cos B is what? Is A. Cos A. Abi? Yes now. Don't forget to. This 2A here represent our A. This A here represent our what? Our B. Like what we did here. This 2A represent what? A. This A represent what? B. So anytime, anywhere you see what? A here, you put 2A. You see B here, you put what? A. So minus sine angle of what is A? 2 what? 2A. Sine angle of what? Of A. Yes. Let us substitute for the value we have here. What is the value? Is 2 what? This 2A and 2 what? 2 sine. From that, you can say what? Recall that what? What is cos 2A? In terms of cos, we have this. You know, in terms of sine, we have this. But here we are dealing with sine. And that's why I am using what? This equation for cos 2A. But here we are dealing with what? With cos. So I need what? The identity that is having what? Cos alone. So you now have what? Cos 2 what? 2A equal to what? From this identity, 2 cos square A minus 1. And it's also telling us that what? Again, this sine, sine 2A, is like, it's give us what? 2 sine A cos what? Cos A. 2 what? Sine angle of A cos what? Cos A. So please let us substitute for what? For each value here. So you will now have what? Cos angle. Let me add this of 2A plus A. It will now give us what? This is what is this? This one is this now. When you put it there, let me put it to the bracket to avoid confusion. 2 cos 2A minus 1 cos A. Good. Then this minus is here. Sine 2A is everything you have here, which is what? 2 sine A cos A dot this sine A you have here, sine A. This dot make multiplication. So the next thing is what? Let me expand this bracket. Let me add this together. 2 plus A. It give us 3A now. Cos 3 what? 3A. I add it together back. Yeah. Since there is this, it will give us 2 cos. You have square times 1 here. Give A. This one is cos square A multiplied by ordinary cos. Power of this one is 1. Power of this one is 2. Add the power together, give you 3. How we have this? Cos A times minus 1. We have cos A minus, this is sine A. This is sine A. Sine A times what? Sine A. To give us what? 2 sine square A cos A. Yes, but this is cos. And I said everything you add there must be in what? In cos form. Like what we did here, that everything we add there must be in what? In sine form. So what can we do now? So I need to what? To eliminate this what? This sine square what? Theta. For me to eliminate this sine square theta, what can I do? I can now say what? From sine square theta plus cos square theta. Abi, this what? Sine square what? A will be equal to the what? 1 minus what? Cos square what? A. From which rules? Sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. By making sine square out of the formula here, we have what? 1 minus cos square what? Theta. So, you will now have what? Cos 3A to be what? 2 cos cube A minus cos A minus 2 into bracket. What is sine square A? 1 minus cos square A multiplied by this cos. Then we have cos what? Cos A. The next thing we do now is what? Cos 3A. So what? 2 cos cube A minus cos angle of A. Expand this. What do we have? 2 minus as minus plus 2 cos square A. Wait. There is a little mistake here. Let me expand from here first. Let me keep these two aside. Where cos times this, we have cos what? 1 times cos A minus cos square. We have square A, 1A, cos cube what? A. Yes. We now let expand it back later. It will now give us what? Cos 3 what? A to be equal to what? 2 cos 3A minus cos angle of A. Expand this. We have minus 2 cos A minus 2 cos cube what? A. Yeah. Let us collect the like times. This is cos A. Cos A. Cos cube A. Cos cube A. This one is 2. Minus as minus plus. You now have what? Cos 3A should be equal to what? Keep 2 plus 2. We have 4 cos cube A minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 cos A. So this is the what? The identity for cos 3A minus cos square cube A plus this. And the last one, it will be tau. It's like I can manage this space for tau. Let me rub this side. So we have what? For tau. So tau 3A, as we all know that tau, we have done it before that what? Tau theta is always what? Sin theta over what? Cos what? Cos theta. So let us apply it here. It's the same thing as what? It will give us what? It will split this to 2 to give us tau 2A plus A, and which is will give us what? Split it to this like this. From this identity of tan A plus B, from what? This identity of what? Tan A plus B equal to the what? Tan A plus B minus 1 minus tan A tan B. So let us apply that scenario there. We now have what? Tan what? A. What is my A here? Is 2 what? 2A plus tan angle of what? Of B, which is what? A over what? 2 over what? 1 minus tan angle of what? 2A dot tan angle of what? Of A. So this is what we apply here. We split this into 2. So this A you have here is equivalent to A, this one is B, like in this identity. So I took this from addition angle of compound angle of tau. This formula is one at what we apply here to split this tan 3 here. So if that be the case, you can also say what? Recall that from here, you can say what? Recall that tan what? 2A is equal to what? 2 tan A over what? 1 minus tan square what? A. So anywhere you see what? Tan sin what? 2A here, this sin 2A and sin 2A, you will substitute for it with this one. So by doing that, we are going to have what? Tan 3A should be what? What is 2A? 2A is this. 2 what? Tan 3A. What is 2A now? 2A is this. 2 tan A over what? 1 minus tan what? Square A plus tan angle of A, and 1 minus 2 tan what? Tan A over what? 1 minus tan what? Square A. These two. Then dot tan A. What are we doing now here? We need to apply simple fraction here. We will find the LCM of this expression. By finding the LCM, this will multiply this. Find the LCM there. It will give us what? 1 minus tan square what? A. Good. So we have what? 2 tan A. So tan times 1 it give us what? Plus tan what? Tan A. Tan times these two, we have minus 2 tan square A over, find the LCM here too. We find the LCM to go like this. We have 1 minus tan square A minus 2 tan square A, everything over 1 minus tan what? Square what? A. You multiply 1 by this one, you have this. So this like this, you have this. So that's what I did there. Then the next thing is what? This expression here. 2 tan A plus tan A, it give us what? 3 tan A. So you now have what? Tan 3A should be equal to what? This one, 2 plus 1. We have 3 tan angle of A minus 2 tan square what? A over 1 minus tan what? Square A you have here. So this division, let me change it to what? To the multiplication. This one will come up. You have 1 minus tan square what? A. Everything over what? Mm, mhm. So here now, we have what? 1 here, 1 tan square A minus 1 tan square A minus 3 tan square A. So this, we cancel this. At the end of the day, my tan 3A will be equal to what? 3 tan angle of A minus 2 tan square A over what? 1 minus 3 tan square A. So this is the what? The identity for tan 3 what? 3A. So we have done for what? The triple angle.